So first off, I can't believe that there's this gigantic freaking like trail of all kinds of like cool foliage and stuff like that, like desert kind of plants and stuff that you can walk around at the safari park. It's just really beautiful over here. So I did not know there's like a bunch of trails and stuff that you could do, so it's really cool. God, I need to find a nice place to like hike or something, because I love being in like forests and around trees and stuff like that. And shit you not that I'm like this close to saving up to just moving to like Big Bear or something someday. Look at the pretty flowers. God. There are like so many good pictures that I'm so excited to edit later tonight. Okay. Yes, you're gonna suffer all my like flowers and shit. You're so pretty. I always feel so much better when I take pictures of like flowers and stuff. I'm even having like an appreciation for like succulents, and I usually like fucking hate succulents. I just think they suck. Let's face it. Succulents are the lazy man's plant. Let's all agree to that. Okay? Yeah. Thankfully, it's so beautiful out today. If you're wondering why my voice is muffled, it's because I have my mask on. So. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I don't know what the hell that bird is up there. That thing's fucking huge. Look at all these pretty things. They're so cool looking. Oh my god, I love flowers. My inner girl is freaking out right now. Super cute. I think that's also something I'm gonna do, is maybe go find some like trails, or maybe I should go up to Big Bear or somewhere where there's like a lot of trees and beautiful stuff, because I really want to start going to like forests and stuff more, because I just love being out in nature. So beautiful.